Mr. Mac, how's it going so far?
It's going really good. It's going even better now than it was before for the simple fact that we got food. You know what I'm saying? Food makes everything better. It increases the mood. It gives you like some endorphins in the brain. You know, and this is also veggie pizza, so it's healthy, it's gluten free, and everything like that. So that's helpful as well.
All right, cold tomatoes don't go on pizza.
Cold tomatoes don't go on.
Keith Nixon Jr. I don't know what my role is. I'm a floater. I just do whatever they need me to do. Everything is going well. Happy to be here. Happy to be a part of this. Yeah. So you just take everything. See, that was have her here in the foreground and them in the background here.
Can we pull it even further down?
This is Lomi in the background all the time because he wants
The idea is to sit them down in that place where you want them to use a really strong bounce to kind of fill in. So, you know, it's still going to have like a backlit kind of feel.
It's more so with the park scene, but getting that kind of like shadow play. But we're not even getting into that right now. It's either all shadow or all, thank you. Either all shadow or all sun.
My name is Jada Northington, and I'm working on wardrobe on the film, and I'm feeling really good. I think everything's moving really seamlessly, so that's definitely a plus, and the weather is great. So yeah, I'm excited to see what else we have in store.
Can we get your partner's face?
What's up, guys? It's Phoenix J. I'm an assistant director on the Transcend shoot. So far, so good. The weather's been great. Everybody's enthusiastic. The guys are out shooting right now, so we're kind of just waiting around to see how everything is going so we can get to our next shot. Stay tuned. This is going to be great.
The car, we're going to need to pull focus for this probably.
Okay.
What's up, y'all? My name is Quez. Today, I'm actually here helping out with grip and assisting with behind the scenes, and it's pretty cool, really chill. Everything is pretty organized. I like it.
TJ, how you feeling about the first run through?
It was good. I think we got exactly what we want on camera, and you know, from this point, we're just gonna try to get the shots, get the audio that we need, and he's delivering some good lines. So it should be quick and easy, not hard at all. They make it easy. I just gotta turn the camera on. That's all.